Hey, people. Happy New Year. This is the third day of the new year. Time for my review on holiday shopping online. I do this usually every year, talking about the trends and what has been going on as far as online shopping. And every year is outpaced each year. And I'm finding out this year is not any different. So let's go take a look at what's happened in 2018. They overstat in the US alone, there is still $65.5 billion on the table. To make the holiday season your biggest ever, we pulled together the most meaningful 2008 trends based on industry statistics and proprietary data from Shopify for over 600,000 merchants. Okay. Here's an overview on specific reports. Holiday shopping statistics, e-commerce. Let's go over here and see what's going on here. And if you look at that, holiday online shopping is not going away, folks. Big case in point, Sears is closing the rest of their stores, especially here in the Columbus area. They're closing the rest of their stores by March. So you can see what the effect of online marketing and online shopping has had on the retail. Okay, here it is. Holiday shopping statistics, e-commerce. U.S. holiday sales are up from 2,080 billion, 91 billion. You can see right here, from 2015, there's 80 to 91 billion to 106 billion last year to this year. Is up to 123 billion, predicted to be 150 billion right here. So there's a 16.9% income raise that's done since 2014 growth-wise. So internet sales is growing. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Okay, here it's going. Okay, don't freeze on me now. From 2008 just began, and they said Black Friday was 6.2 billion. Thanksgiving and Cyber Monday, 7.2 billion. So these two things has gone from Black Friday to Cyber Monday has gone up with 1 billion. Total December predicted 65 billion. 65 billion has been projected. Okay, for Cyber Monday. Have been projected. Let's go mobile. Let's see if this is what this is talking about. So 2 years ago, mobile dominance overtook desktop, solidified its online, at least in the terms of usage. Since then, the question haunting e-commerce has been mobile traffic. Traffic is nice, but how do we close the conversion gap and sell on mobile? Last year, this year's holidays were no different. Total revenue was up on mobile, reaching an cumulative 35.8 billion during November to December 2017 and hitting 22.1 billion on Black Friday. Adobe Analytics. So mobile technology is also trending. Mobile technology takes over holidays on Shopify. Mobile orders 65%. Mobile orders 39%. Okay, Shopify Global, US industry 39% mobile orders. Shopify 66.9%. Mobile orders and over desktop. So you can see the trend. Okay, but still, these sites, I guess mobile orders are still under what desktop, but still, they're still up there. They still got those mobile orders going on. So mobile technology is also peak volume for your device on Shopify. This is based on Shopify site and I guess US trends. Okay. If you can read this, peak order volume for device Shopify. This is from November, how it peaks 100%, and then it kind of dips. Then it peaks again through Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Okay, these are the mobile. This is mobile versus, this trend is the mobile. Now it peaks Black Friday, drops down, and then peaks again on Cyber Monday. what desktop does is kind of a steady climb, both from the November, and then it dips and then goes up. So there's a steady thing even with both mobile, but actually really no. Let me refine that again. If you look at this, mobile takes over, it goes up to 100%. And it only dips, and with desktop only goes up to 60%, where mobile was up 100%, it only dips maybe 10% and goes back up. Very here, you see the difference. So mobile technology is very a critical thing for you need to think about as an online marketer, how you can get your clients to use their phones to shop at your sites. If your sites are not optimized for mobile technology, and then you're losing out on that game. Okay. Let's see. New face of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Let's see what's going on in here. I never got into the Black Friday thing. I thought it was kind of crazy to do that, especially when you can do this stuff online. Why you need to run out after Thanksgiving to do that? It doesn't make any sense to me. Okay. The new phase of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. In preparation for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, we collected the data from over 50 online bases generating or above 10 million in annual revenue. Part of the study asked participants to rank the effectiveness of 15 different holiday offers, deals, and discounts. This offers to show clear winners and losers. Okay. So holiday deals during this time help increase your productivity in business if you are an online marketer with products and services that you want to sell to. So, here are the top 5. Well, not you. Let's see. Gift wrapping. Well, this is what happened a lot of these things. Top 5 very effective. Side work discounts, product discounts, coupons, and a lot of these things will do this stuff themselves. Okay. Some of the things that are not in use that much, gift wrapping, product bundles, logo. Yeah, a lot of people don't do that kind of stuff because a lot of stuff you can get done at the places that you signed for. So, interesting. This is interesting. Many of the top 5 will not use promotions, namely product bundles, discount tiers by order value, and free gifts and purchases, separated when examined the 10 best holiday e-commerce strategy from 2018. More interesting still, Websmith's 2 p.m. in catalog 77% discount based on its digitally native vertical brand, power list of what is called a brand standing. Okay. So we see that what's happening, the trends online are still climbing each year. Each year, the trends online are there. And like I said, witnessing that with the closing of Sears, because Sears is going to be closing at the end of this. Let's see, it's going to be closed at the end of this, not the end of this month, but they're closing sometime this year. I think they say in March. The last 2 Sears that we have in the Columbus area, probably in Ohio, are closing. So it's crazy. This is where we're at. And even when, like I show with mobile technology is even outpacing still desktop. I wouldn't get rid of my desktop. People are just more mobile. That's all. People are more mobile. And let me see. And for Grand Friend Shopping online. Holiday go global. Let me see what this is. That's not what I was asking for. What's going on here? Okay, here's what I was looking for. Holidays go global on Shopify. I guess Shopify is one of them big things that I've never used it. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is now worldwide phenomenon. In 2017, 20.9% of the BFICAM sales through Shopify came from 10 countries outside the United States. 2018, 18.54. All of the orders were shipped internationally across borders from merchant of origin. Maybe I need to look at the Shopify to use as, because this is what's happening. This is the difference between. Okay, how do they go global? shipped internationally, man. So shop this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, international. This is where you can sell your products using technology. Top countries by sales in 2018: United States, United Kingdom. Right here, it tells you the top countries to sell to. Okay, top countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Denmark, Netherlands, New Zealand, and Spain. These are top 10 countries you need to be focusing on, especially during the holiday season. You probably even now, they're the ones that sales have being hit in an international business type of thing. So if you're doing any type of ads, this is where you need to, for international, this is where your ad spend needs to be focusing on, because these are the top 10. Let me see something. I need to save this image myself while I do my ad spend. Okay, this is where you need to be focusing on when it comes to sales for your business, because they're the ones that are buying. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Yeah, I'm gonna save this here on desktop. So you need to be focusing on those areas. Why am I? Okay, what's going on? All right, go back here. Go back here. The top places that you need to focus on right there, folks. So we know that every year, online shopping is still outpacing brick and mortar, no matter what the naysayers want to say, no matter what people want to say. Well, I want to feel, touch and feel my products. That's fine. But you're gonna save more if you buy the stuff online, especially if you already know the product, know if you use it. If you maybe want to buy one for a gift for somebody else, what do you need to do it for? If you know how it is and they trust you, you know, you can sell that stuff to them. Or if you just want to buy another one, okay, it doesn't always have to be this and this, people. We live in a time where we need buy time back. And, you know, if you want to join the holidays, who wants to run the hustle and bustle running through there? I mean, if I go to shop, I'm not going to go through the trouble with all that running through malls and stuff. I mean, if I want to enjoy the holidays, I don't want that pressure. If I go to do the holidays, I might go sightseeing, looking at stuff, the decorations, have a drink or whatever. That's me, but that's me. Okay, I don't want the hustle and bustle of shopping all the time when I can do that shit early and get it out of the way and really enjoy the Christmas holidays the way you should be with family and friends to get the time back. This is why these technologies are so important to understand and use. Okay, you can make a lot of money with it because of the compounding effect. If you get a team of people to understand what I just showed you, that's the compounding effect. This is what should be called not duplication in network marketing. Listen to you, my network marketing brothers and sisters. We need to concentrate on the compounding effect, not the duplication. Maybe I need to write a book about that. The compounding effect in network marketing, not the duplication. That's the more effective strategy, okay? That being said, I hope you got value from this little tutorial video that I'm putting together. That's my review on what's happened in 2018 as far as e-commerce and the holiday shopping online spectrum. With that being said, I hope you got value. Let me get out of here this afternoon. Got some things to do. Peace out. Take care. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to join my first Sunset Sunday of 2019. This Sunday between 5:30 and 6. Okay. Peace out. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.